Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, it's me Hamza Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the part 5 of The Man of Life Upright from the book English Language for Class 10, Balochistan Textbook Board Quetta. So let's start. The first word is thus. Its meaning is is tarah. The second word is scorning. It means ताना ज़नी. Cares, परवाह करता है. Fate, किस्मत. Fortune, खुशकिस्मती. Heaven, जन्नत. Wisdom, हिकमत. Heavenly, आसमानी. Thus scorning all the cares. इस तरह वो तमाम अलाम को तहक़ीर से नहीं देखता. That fate or fortune bring, जो किस्मत या नसीब लाती है. He makes the heaven his book. वो आसमान यानी फितरत को अपनी किताब बना देता है. His wisdom heavenly things. उसकी हिकमत दानाई कदरत की अता है. So that's it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And also like our Facebook page Compare Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.